Making money is part of all of us lives, but how we make money is different. In this video, we are going to talk about the two ways of making money. The first way is the traditional way. This is how most of the people earn their money. They get a degree or learn a profession, and then they get a job and learn 9 to 5 every day for decades. What's the problem with this way? You are getting paid for your time and not for your results. If you work less than 8 hours a day, your salary will be lower. It doesn't matter if you can finish your work in less time, all that matters are the number of hours spent in the office. In this case, you are getting paid for your time, which is your most important asset in your life. You can always make more money, but your day will always be 24 hours. So what's the solution? Making passive income. Let's start with the definition of passive income. What does passive income mean? Basically, it means that you need to work on something in the beginning, but it will continuously make you money later as well. So, for example, you can work on writing an ebook and you can publish it on Amazon. You only have to work on it at the beginning, but it will continuously make you money as long as it will be available on Amazon. Can you see the difference between active income and passive income? You can work on building passive income streams, and later in your life you can do whatever you want, that is spending more time with your family, traveling the world, or whatever it may be. That's the power of passive income. So let's see some passive income ideas. First of all, if you already have some money, you can think about passive income investments. For example, you can buy stocks that will pay you dividends. In this case, you pay a portion of a company and they will pay you a portion of their profits monthly, quarterly, or yearly. So you don't need to put any work into it, but it will continuously make you money as long as you own that stock. Talking about investing, another opportunity to make passive income through investing is buying a real estate property. You can rent it out for someone who will pay you in every single month. Okay, but these are all require money. What if you don't have enough money to buy real estate or stocks? One of the solutions can be building online businesses. For example, you can start a blog. You can write blog posts and you can put your work into it at the beginning, but it will continuously make you money if you can monetize it with affiliate marketing or with advertising, even if you don't work on it after all. If you don't familiar with affiliate marketing, it's basically earning a commission by promoting other people's product. In this case, you don't have to create your own product and you don't have to provide customer support. All you have to do is put your unique affiliate link into your blog post, and if someone click on this link and buy the product through your link, you will earn money for it. Another opportunity to make passive income with online businesses is creating online course. In this case, you put your work into it at the beginning when you create this online course, but after that you will earn money for that as long as it will be available online. But there are so many more opportunities. Just to mention a few more: online arbitrage, e-commerce, selling audiobooks and ebooks. I think you get the idea. Now, if you want to learn more about passive income, then hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.